This is for 10.2, Part 2, Rational Exponents. That means things that have exponents that are fractions. So, example 1, simplify, multiplying 2x to the 1/3 times 5x to the 1/2. So first we start off by multiplying just the regular numbers. The 2 times 5 equals the 10. When we multiply, we add the exponents. So we need to add the 1/3 and add the 1/2. When we add fractions, we have to have a common denominator. So 1/3 and 1/2. 3 times 2 is 6. So that means our common denominator is 6. So for the 1/3, we multiply 1/3 times 2 over 2. For the 1/2, we multiply it by 3 over 3. So we're going to multiply 2 over 2 times 1 over 3. We multiply straight across. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/3 becomes 2 over 6. For the right part, 1 over 2 times 3 over 3. We multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6 is 5 over 6. So that becomes the exponent for the x. That's the power that goes on x. So 10x to the 5 over 6 is our final answer. Okay, we add exponents when we're multiplying. Those parentheses mean to multiply. When you have fractions, you got to get a common denominator. Okay, for the second example, it's division. When we divide, we subtract the exponents. So let's do the easy part first. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So what about for the exponents that are fractions? We subtract and we put it where the number was bigger. When you're dividing fractions, remember you think about which power was bigger, the one on top or the one on bottom. So let's get a common denominator. We have a denominator of 3 and a denominator of 4. So that means the common denominator is 12. So we're going to do 2 over 3 times 4 over 4 so that we get a common denominator. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. For the one on the right, we had the fraction 1/4. We're going to multiply it by 3 over 3 so that we get something over 12. 1 over 4 times 3 over 3. Multiply straight across. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So we're going to subtract our exponents. Our new exponents are 8 over 12 and 3 over 12. So 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12 equals 5 over 12. And we have to decide if that goes on the top or if that goes on the bottom. Well, let's see which fraction is bigger. 8 over 12 or 3 over 12? 8 over 12 is bigger. 8 over 12 was originally the 2/3. Which place was the 2/3? The 2/3 was the one on top. X raised to the 2/3 was on top. That's why the x to the 5/12 answer is on the top, because it was bigger on the top. 2/3 is bigger than the 1 over 4. When we divide, subtract exponents. And that is the end of this lesson.